What's going on, guys, and welcome to this video. My name is Noel Arevalo. Today we're going to be covering supplements. This is going to be Supplements 101, being when I take them and why I take them. And then also we're going to be going over the supplements that are best going to serve you with putting on muscle and weight loss. So I'm so excited to dive into this video and explain a little bit further. Before we dive into this video, if you want to follow me on my platforms, they're always inside the description box. And please do not forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and also make sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's go get some gains. Knowledge gains and physical gains. So the supplements I'm going to be going over today are going to be NLA for Her. I have been a fan of this company for 5 years now, and I absolutely love their quality of their supplements. I love all of the flavors, are absolutely insane. And so that is going to be the company of supplements that I'm going to be going over today. I absolutely love this company and I highly suggest that you try them out. And if you do, in the description box, I do have a code for you, and that is Noel at checkout will get you 20% off. All right, guys, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and cover supplements that are really going to supplement your fat loss and ones that I'm really big fans of. The one supplement that I actually don't have on hand right now is Her Shred Her. Her Shred Her, that's what we will go over first. Her Shred Her is a thermogenic fat burner. So basically what it does to help you burn more calories is it heats up your inner core temperature, which makes you sweat more, which makes you burn more, and then it also has stimulant in it, so it gives you a lot more energy. Those two combined are what really help you lose more fat and sweat out more calories. So how I take Her Shred Her is going to be days that I just have cardio. So days that I don't have any weightlifting, I'll take it 15 to 20 minutes before I actually get on the treadmill or I get on the stair climber, for it to be able to kick in and really be in my system and doing what it's supposed to do. So that is gonna be a thermogenic fat burner. People rave about this actual particular product for NLA for Her. So if you're somebody who's looking for a good stimulant fat burner, you're looking for a great fat burner that doesn't make you crash in the end or anything like that, I highly recommend Her Shred Her. Everything will be linked down below as well. And so yes, so that is going to be the first fat loss supplement. I would suggest eating a little bit of food if you are somebody who is a little bit sensitive to stimulants, because it can be a little intense on the stomach, but besides that, this is an absolute amazing product. So next we're gonna talk about is my absolute favorite. I tend to really like fat burners that don't have stimulant in them. So this is like an amazing combo. Cla Carnitine and Her CLA. I take these two together. I actually take these 5 days a week, 15 minutes before I actually go to lift. So I will take this before I weight train, because what I usually do is I'll weight train and then I'll do my cardio after. So I will take this before I weight train to burn even extra calories when I'm lifting, because you are burning a ton of calories when you lift as well. So I'll take these two both together, Her CLA and Cla Carnitine, 15 minutes before I get in there. And what these basically do is it helps break down how it burns more calories for you, is it helps break down long chain fatty acids, which are a lot harder to break down, and therefore it burns more calories for you. So it is a fat burner, but it just does not have any stimulant in it. And so this is actually one of my personal most favorite supplements of the brand. So if you're looking for a way to break down more fat, a way to get rid of stubborn fat, I highly suggest Her CLA and Carnitine together, and it doesn't have any stimulants in it if you're not a big fan of stimulants like me. All right, guys, so next up is going to be Her Amigo Burner. This is a thermogenic fat burner, enhances endurance, sustained energy and focus, and prevents muscle breakdown. So essentially what this is magic in a bottle. No, but really what this is it's pretty much a fat burner and BCAAs all in one. So how I do my supplements is I'll supplement different things, literally, like some weeks I'll take 2 kinds of supplements, other weeks I'll take 2 kinds of supplements, and then I'll do it from there out. I won't always take all these supplements all throughout 1 week. That's just, I don't ever suggest that. Maybe supplement, cycle between like 2 or 3 different ones weekly. That's what I usually do, and I get the best results that way. So if you want to go in there, have BCAAs, but also have a fat burner in there and get some energy going, this is a really good product, and it's very tasty. So yeah, so this is like a 2-in-1 thing, and it's just another basically thermogenic fat burner with BCAAs in it. So this is a great combo. I would suggest taking this probably before lifting, anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes before you lift. You can be drinking it during your lift, or you can just like drink an entire drink of it before you actually jump into your lift. But I am a huge fan of this supplement. So that is what Her Amigo Burner does, and I highly suggest it. All right, next we're gonna jump into what supplements are really good for actually building muscle, getting that toned physique that you really want. What has really helped me achieve that personally are going to be these next supplements. These are like These two supplements I would absolutely say are essential for anybody who's lifting at least 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week. Honestly, this really is just like the building blocks for muscle and for just everything you need to really put on muscle. So the first supplement is going to be, I have 2 of these, Her Amino, so Dragon Punch and Pink Lemonade. Yummy. Increases endurance, builds lean muscle, and is really good for recovery. So recovery is just as essential as days in the gym, and I always stress this to my clients. Like, if there are days that you're not taking recovery days, you need to be taking recovery days, okay? And if you don't, then aminos are absolutely gonna help you. So Her Aminos are AKA BCAAs, and I will have these like anywhere is literally from 4 to 5 times a week. And I always drink these throughout my workout, because what happens through your workout is muscle gets broken down. You're potentially more catabolic, which catabolic means where your muscle gets broken down, but not in a good way. Where it like is actually getting like used as like energy type of a thing. So you don't want that to happen. BCAAs, Her Aminos, that will absolutely help you with it. And it really helps with just building lean muscle endurance and recovery. So the main thing is it literally It literally helps you build lean muscle. So have this like 4 to 5 times a week during my workout. Sometimes I even have it on my days off just because they're so good and they just help with recovery. I always say this, I've preached about it on my other platforms, that this is like a staple supplement for anybody just starting out, trying to put on muscle, trying to lose weight. Get this. This really, really helps with muscle building. So this is gonna be Her Aminos, AKA BCAAs, for those of you that are confused. All right, and for the next real muscle building supplement, you guys, so besides BCAAs, Her Aminos, protein powder is gonna be your best friend. Protein powder was my best friend in the beginning of my own fitness journey. I wasn't able to put on muscle for like a really, really long time. Like, I was just plateaued, and I literally lived off protein powder because it was the only way that I was really able to get in my protein, because I just didn't like other protein sources. I just didn't really eat meat that much. So anyways, protein powder is so good to have because it's so essential to, it's the building blocks for muscle, for protein. Like, this recovers your body, your muscles. Protein recovers anything in general, but when you are an athlete, you're somebody who's in the gym, like I said, at least 2 to 3 times, and you're breaking down muscle, you need to be getting in adequate protein to put on muscle, to see any kind of muscle progression, to see like weight loss. Like, literally, protein powder makes your life so much easier, because if you're somebody who's constantly on the go, it makes getting in your protein really easy, and then therefore you're gonna see more progress. So protein powder is like this heaven sent. This is like, yo, go to for life. Like, protein powder is like, it helps us out, you know? So anyway, so this is another for her, the banana peanut butter banana split, or peanut butter banana split. This is literally like to die. It's so freaking good. But if you're looking for all of their flavors are good, but my main go-to would definitely be this one. This is a new one, peanut butter banana split. It's like, it sounds weird, but it's unreal, so good. And then if you're looking for just like a basic chocolate, if you're a chocolate fan, I know most people are protein powder, they like chocolate just because it's more flavorful. Their chocolate eclair is like literally the most unreal chocolate flavor. Just go pick yourself up some and thank me later. And when I will usually have protein shakes, usually I will either have them right before the gym. I just think it's like a nice digesting type of protein source, and it protects your muscles. Or if I have it after the gym, I'll have it within a 3-hour window after the gym. You don't have to have it immediately after you're gonna lose all your muscle. That's a lie. So yeah, or I'll have it right after the gym, or whenever, honestly, but usually I have it before the gym. So the next supplement we're gonna jump into is everybody's favorite, because we all love stimulants when it comes to pre-workout, is going to be the Uplift pre-workout. Oh my God, I love this pre-workout because I do not have any kind of crashes after. I've had really bad experiences with trying I've probably tried every single kind of supplement you could think of on planet Earth, okay? Maybe not, because there's a ton of companies, but regardless of that, I've tried a lot. Uplift, I absolutely love it because it really does give me like a kick in the bootay when I really need it. Days when I go in there and I just feel really tired, I always end up having an amazing workout on this, and I do not have a hard crash after. So this one is Guava Passion, super good, all the flavors, like I said, you hear me say it repeatedly a lot of times. But anyways, clean and sustained energy, fast twitch muscle fiber activation, improve athletic performance. So I will have pre-workout like max 3 times a week, and the times when I will have it is I'll always have it either 15 minutes before my workout. I usually just will scoop it into my mouth. If you're not a pro at that, don't do it. Put it in water, shake it up, and then drink it then. But 15 to 20 minutes before I actually work out, and I will have it 3 times a week. And the times and days that I usually have it are days where I know when I'm gonna go in there and I have to lift heavy, so my lower strength days, because I need that extra strength. Pre-workout, I am like, I know this is real and true that it makes you stronger. And then also days where I go in there and I'm really fatigued, say I didn't get any like sleep the night before, stuff like that. That is when I will usually take pre-workout. Highly suggest Uplift. Go get you some pre-workout because I know you want some. Everybody loves it. Last but not least, to close this bad boy out, I am throwing in the handy dandy Chews. What up? You guys never seen anything like this before, have you? Okay, so her appetite control, ladies, okay? And today it's resonating with me, okay? Because it may or may not be that kind of month for me, okay? So her appetite control chew. So it's an appetite control, literally chocolate chew. It's so good. It's only 4 carbs, 20 calories. I take one of these when I am having like insane cravings, and like within like 15 to 20 minutes, it's like gone, nothing. So ladies, for those of you who always especially ask me, for those of you who are new to this video, new to my channel, who struggle with appetite control, like during those times a month or in general, go pick yourself up some Her Appetite Control chocolate chews and save your life and thank me later, because these will save your life. I'm not joking. And the heck of good. It helps support fat loss and helps promote normal appetite. I'm gonna have one right now on film because when in LA, I was gonna say when in Rome, but yeah. It's literally like candy. They're kind of dangerous because they taste like candy, but I'm not gonna eat for the rest of the night. I'm not appetite, I'm just kidding. No, it's not that extreme, but it really does help suppress your appetite. So I highly, highly recommend these to those of you who struggle with a big appetite or when you have serious cravings during that time of month. All right, you guys, I hope that video was super helpful to you. Once again, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up, hit it up, hit it up, hit it up, helps me out, yeah it does. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you do not want to miss another tip with this buff chick over here. I hope that was insightful. I hope that was helpful. Please comment below if you're confused on anything. If you have any questions at all, any suggestions on the flavors, anything you need, I got you. Comment below. Once again, if you guys decide to pick up any of these supplements, do not forget to use my code and save yourself some money. Help yourself out and use my code. It's gonna be in the description box and I will link it right here as well. So I love you guys. Everything is going to be linked in the description box as well for every single one of these products. And I will see you in the next video. I'm gonna see you in the next video. I'm gonna see